Hi. Well, this is my half-assed milling machine. It's a Chinese drill press, and it's got the reduction pulleys, so I can turn my whatever you call it, senior moment, uh, single point facer. It's also doing duty as a boring head right now. Uh, I've added these pieces so I can advance the head down with a turn on the nut here. And this is cast iron. My steady rest was poorly made. I hate to say it, but it's Chinese. There was very little clearance on this side when it was mounted on my lathe. I did manage to use the steady to hold a 2-inch piece of stock in line while I center drilled the end and did some boring on it and so on. That happened to end up being my ER32 chuck. But anyways, it's successful. I've already made some cutting here, but it's going to take several hours of slow running. And what happens is, due to the play in the quill, I advance this a quarter turn about, and it'll cut for 3 or 4 or 5 revolutions, and gradually give it up as the bearings in the quill settle down, and then repeat. So I'm taking a bit off this surface right here, and a bit off here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's over a 1/16 of an inch right here. Now, I don't know that I'll repeat this, but this is it. I've got the tail end, which is a taper, locked down as hard as I dare on this vise. I've got a little jack I made out of a extended nut, or an over-length nut, and a bolt, and it works pretty good for a little jack, and a piece of plastic in here. But the idea is, this is not going to drift around. Anyways, if you want to do a job, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. There you go. Have fun.